This rust is really stuck on here. Yeah, but we're making progress. Keep at it. Careful with that panel, it's heavy. Got it, one less rusted spot. Chimney's drawing well, fire's catching. Good, the interior's warming up. Yeah, the glow's steady, no leaks. Perfect. Let's keep an eye on it.